Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data and workspace. Backup critical files now and make sure your backup verifies. Once done, power down and ground yourself with an anti-static strap, then open the case only if comfortable. Boot to safe mode or a recovery USB to capture error messages and LED codes. Note them. You will need basic tools, Phillips, spare cables, and a list of recent changes. This short checklist prevents wasted effort and guides the next diagnostic steps. Now you run targeted diagnostics. Start memtest 86 for RAM and a smart check plus chkdsk for drives. If errors appear, reset or replace the suspect module, try alternate cables and ports, and boot with minimal hardware to isolate components. Once you narrow the issue, address software faults, use system restore or uninstall the latest driver updates that preceded the problem. Make sure to test after each change so you understand cause and effect, and keep notes about which step fixed or changed behavior. Finish by confirming system stability, repair boot records, or perform a clean OS reinstall only after exhaustive diagnostics. Once the OS is healthy, restore your verified backup and update drivers and security patches. Create a fresh recovery USB and record your serials and steps taken. Make sure to test peripherals and run benchmarks or stress tests to validate repairs. If something still fails, run a safe mode antivirus scan first. Malware can mimic hardware faults. Then revisit hardware isolation steps and replace failing parts as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.